StarTech.com's USB-C 10 gigabits per second M.2 NVMe and M.2 SATA SSD enclosures offer a high-performance solution to convert your M.2 drives into high-speed portable external storage, ideal for professionals requiring high-speed data access or for data migration-related tasks like data recovery, backup, or repair. Compatible with USB-C, Thunderbolt 3, and Thunderbolt 4 ports, our enclosures support all standard sizes of M.2 drive heights. Both USB-C and USB-A cables are included with our M.2 enclosures that support both NVMe and SATA SSDs for backwards compatibility. To protect the M.2 SSD, we use a durable aluminum housing and have toolless models for hassle-free drive installation, models with thermal pads and vented chassis for maximum heat dissipation to maintain optimal drive performance and prevent drive failure. For maximum durability, we offer a rugged model that is 100% dustproof, IP67 water resistant, and MIL STD 810G drop test certified, a perfect solution for professionals working outside or for work environments with a lot of dust like construction sites or factories. Our enclosures are OS independent and do not require any additional drivers to install. We have been trusted by IT professionals since 1985. StarTech.com's USB-C M.2 NVMe and SATA enclosures have a 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support.